Is it safe to use a 4-digit MPIN for my GCash account?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing an important question that many of you might have been wondering about. Is it safe to use a 4-digit MPIN for my GCash account? We'll be breaking down the factors that make a 4-digit MPIN secure or insecure, and giving you tips on how to strengthen your GCash account security.
What is a 4-digit MPIN?
Firstly, let's understand what a 4-digit MPIN is. An MPIN or mobile personal identification number is a password that you use to authenticate your transactions on your GCash account. This 4-digit code is your first line of defense against potential threats and unauthorized access.
Is a 4-digit MPIN secure?
The security of a 4-digit MPIN largely depends on its complexity and how well it's protected. A 4-digit MPIN offers 10,000 possible combinations, which might seem like a lot, but for a computer, it's a fairly small number that can be cracked through brute force attacks in a very short period of time. So, is a 4-digit MPIN secure? Yes, it can be if used correctly, but it's certainly not the strongest option out there.
How can I make my GCash MPIN more secure?
Even though a 4-digit MPIN isn't the most secure, there are ways you can make it safer. 1. Avoid obvious combinations. Don't use obvious combinations like 1234, 0000, or your birth year. These are the first combinations an attacker will try. 2. Change your MPIN regularly. Regularly updating your MPIN adds an extra layer of security to your account. 3. Never share your MPIN. Your MPIN should be as confidential as your ATM PIN. Never share it with anyone, even people you trust. 4. Use additional security features. Use the additional security features provided by GCash, such as biometric login, if your device supports it. In conclusion, while a 4-digit MPIN for your GCash account can be safe when used properly, it's important to take additional measures to enhance your account's security. Remember, your financial safety lies in your own hands, so always stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your accounts. Your financial security is worth the effort. Hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.